Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G60s, and let me show you how to turn on and off camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings, and now we have to tap to save settings category. Here we get access to save location option, so it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using the button from the right, we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And also important thing here is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save actual location of our photo, we have to remember to be connected with the internet, for example Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to also turn on the location of this device, so these two things are important, the location and the internet, to make it work. And now let me keep turning it on all of these settings. Let's move back to camera to take a picture. To see it, let's move to right button, that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is how my photo looks like. To check its location, we have to simply slide a little bit down, and as you can see, here we get access to more details with location and the map with full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.